The hiccups? Here are some quick and effective ways to get rid of them. First, try holding your breath for 10 to 20 seconds, then exhale slowly. Repeat a few times. Next, sip cold water slowly or gulp a glass quickly to reset your diaphragm. Or swallow a teaspoon of sugar or honey and let it dissolve to stimulate the vagus nerve. Breathe into a paper bag to increase carbon dioxide and stop the hiccups. Finally, try the scare or distraction method, like gently pulling your tongue. If hiccups last more than 48 hours, see a doctor as it could signal an underlying condition.